My name is Ambreen Silver and this is my statistical investigation. For this investigation, I chose to look at resting pulse rate per minute. The statistical question of this investigation is, in Year 7, is the average resting pulse rate of boys and girls the same? For this statistical investigation, the data was collected from 2014 Australian Bureau of Statistics census at school. The sample size was 30 random students across all states and territories of Australia. This is a back-to-back stem and leaf plot that shows the resting pulse rate of both boys and girls. It is the best representation to show where the most of the data lies. For girls, it lied in between 80 to 90 heartbeats per minute, while for boys, it lied in between 50 to 70 heartbeats per minute. This is a dot plot that shows boys and girls' resting pulse rate. The X line shows the resting pulse rate, while the Y line shows the number of students falling into a particular heartbeat per minute. There were too many different resting pulse rates. Therefore, the dot plot is not really useful for my investigation because it is really difficult to read what is a person's resting pulse rate per minute. This is a double column graph. It compares the data of both boys and girls. It demonstrates a really good visual interpretation as it is easy to recognize who has higher resting pulse rate per minute. This is a frequency table which represents the number of times students fell into a particular heartbeat per minute. These are two sector graphs, one for girls and one for boys. These sector graphs show the percentage of students fell into a particular resting pulse rate. The mean is the average of all the values in the data. To calculate, we need to add up all the values and then divide by the number of values in the data. The median is the middle value, the mode is the value that occurs the most, the range is the difference between the largest value and the smallest value. Both the mean and median show that girls' resting pulse rate per minute is higher than boys. The answer to the question is that the average resting pulse rate of boys and girls is not the same. The results cannot be generalized beyond the sample because the sample number is very small. The prediction of this statistical investigation can be unreliable as there were some students who did not record their resting pulse rate accurately. Therefore, to make prediction of students below Year 7 should be done with caution or not at all for the same reason.
Created using Powtoon.